This Dorm Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Jayann Madden. Lovely Streamland Estates 4-bed 2.5 bath 2,380 square foot home. Curb appeal galore with a charming front porch, clean landscaping, fresh exterior paint. Enjoy a fully fenced low-maintenance yard and freshly stained deck for outdoor living. Inside, experience a light-filled floor plan with new paint, soaring ceiling, skylights, 2-story windows, AC and gorgeous stone fireplace. Kitchen has granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. Huge master and ensuite are on main floor, 3 bdrms on second floor give separation. For more information, review the details below or contact Jayann Madden at 206-406-6357.